Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a close tab icon to your menu in the Samsung Internet Browser, making it easier to manage your tabs and enhance your browsing experience. First, let's open up the Samsung Internet Browser. Now, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner to open the menu. From here, click on Icon Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Layout and Menus. Tap on it. In the Layout and Menus settings, scroll down until you see the Customize Menus section. Now, in the Menu Customization screen, you'll see a list of available icons that you can add to your menu. To add the Close tab icon, simply push and hold the Close tab icon in the list. Then drag it to the position where you want it to appear in the menu. Once you've dragged it to your desired position, release it, and it will be added to your menu. Now, you'll see the Close tab icon in your menu. Whenever you have multiple tabs open, you can easily tap on it to close any tab with just one tap. This small customization can really save you time, especially when you're juggling multiple tabs. And that's it. You've successfully added the Close tab icon to your Samsung Internet Browser. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.